Bitcoin is the next revolution in internet economy and is booming. In order to get all the Bitcoin transactions processed, the Bitcoin network needs miners, which are computers solving complex math problems super fast. Although we do not recommend this, if you want to start mining yourself, you need to buy a mining device, wait for a long time, install a dedicated computer with software you need to learn, start mining, maintain the computer and the device on 24/7. But if you want to start mining with us, you need to sign up with us, cash out when you see your Bitcoins generated. It's that easy. We want everyone to start mining, so we make it very easy. You don't need to get into any contract, and you can start with as little as $10 per slot. How much will you make out of $10? It depends on how the Bitcoin network is performing. Come and check our profitability calculator and see for yourself.